Welcome to today's quick guide on managing how tagged photos appear on Facebook using the latest PC update. If you're new to this or just looking to tighten your privacy, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together so you can control who sees your tagged post without any hassle. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're in, locate your profile picture in the top right corner and click it. This takes you to your personal profile where you can access the settings that matter most for tagging and visibility. Next, you'll want to expand your privacy controls. Click on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the dropdown. We're aiming for your profile and tagging options, so look for and click on Profile and Tagging. This section holds the key switches that determine how tagged content appears to others. Now find the section labeled Who can see what others post on your profile. To customize this, click on the drop-down menu next to it to open your options. This is where you decide who gets to view photos and posts that you're tagged in by others. Choose Custom from the list. This powerful option lets you tailor visibility with precision. You'll be able to specify exactly who can see these tagged posts and who should be left out. Start by selecting the people or lists you want to share with. Then add the individuals or groups you don't want to see the tagged content. This dual selection ensures you maintain control over your own tagging footprint. After setting your custom audience, confirm your choices by clicking Done. This saves your preferences and applies the new visibility rules to tagged photos and posts coming from others. A quick tip: if you frequently tag or are tagged in posts by friends, consider revisiting the setting periodically. Social networks, update features, and small tweaks can keep your privacy aligned with your comfort level. That's all there is to it. You've now set a custom audience for tagged photos on Facebook from your PC, giving you precise control over who sees what's linked to your profile.